Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're making a science video, and so let's get on learning. So, let's say there's 8 gases. No, not 8 gases. There's 8 gases, but planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. To make it a little bit fun, let's put Pluto in, and Pluto. So those are the 8 planets, right? Yeah, the 8 planets and one dwarf planet in. No, there's 5 dwarf planets, but I just wanted to put 1 dwarf. So I put 1 dwarf planet and 8 planets in. So, and I want to tell you that there's actually 8 gases as well, just like the 8 planets. Mercury, it's not made of any gas. It's just made of nothing. It has a thin atmosphere. Venus, you already know that. So there is 8 gases, 8 planets, 5 dwarf planets, and how much? And three belts. There's 3 belts. The asteroid belt, the Kuiper belt, and the Oort cloud. So those are planets and dwarves and belts. So you might be thinking, how big is Jupiter? How much Earth can fit in Jupiter? If you're thinking about that, I think about 1,300. And if you said your Neptune, if you said Uranus, I think 51. If you say Neptune, 50, but I think 51 on Uranus, since it's slightly bigger. Yeah, Uranus is slightly bigger than Neptune. Universe. Imagine, it's way bigger than our sun. It's way bigger than UI Scooty. Yeah. I don't know why, but that's pretty crazy. Wait, it's even bigger than my own self. That's completely true. Even bigger enough. So, that's not all. Tell me what are goods. I'm not talking like, oh, good job. No. There's another way. Goods. Goods are things. Yeah, there's a way. Goods. Not the one that you say, oh, good job, like that. No. There's another thing that's called good. It's another thing. It's way different. It's a word, but it's different. It's spelled right. It's spelled the same, but it's different. So goods means, I learned this, goods means yourself, actually. But you can touch if they're friend. You know them. But a stranger, why would you even touch them? I'm just kidding. You maybe can if the pandemic's gone, but so, and that's not all. That's not all. We still have 5 more minutes. My dad's going to work. So, and that's all not it. Let me show you. Actually, no. Because we have seasons because of Earth's 23 degrees tilted point held by the moon. Without that, it would be hard to live. You might still live, but it might be hard. So, and I'm literally blinking 3 double times, but nah, we all blink it, so no problem. And back up right there. And that's not all. So it doesn't mean no matter what if you can touch it. And I want you to smack that like button as hard as you can. And I'll see you next week. And don't forget, like, share, subscribe, and the most important part, I want you to get my merch, my FIFA more. My soccer mode. Yeah, I get this. It's a pajama. It's really good. I'm wearing a jacket on it, but you can get this jacket too. It's my merch. That's my merch. Some jackets are my merch, so you can get this jacket in. I don't know the store. I forgot the store. I know what it is, but I forgot. So let it be 50 minutes. So I wanted to just tell you something. Tell me how old I am. I'm 7. Tell me when's my birthday. In 4 months. Okay. So, yeah, guys. I'm sorry, but it's the end of the video.